First, let's talk briefly about finding your fit. Clearly, this phrase is common when it comes to the college process. When looking at schools, it is important to identify whether that school is not only a good fit academically, but also whether it is a fit financially, locationally, socially, and more. When beginning the search process, it may be helpful to narrow it down with factors that will influence your interest in a university. Here are some of the most important ones to consider, as well as a few outside resources to learn more about these factors. It's important to speak with your parents about whether or not your tuition fees will be financed. If not, there are many aid opportunities such as scholarships, financial aid, or student loans. Location. Location is a matter of both region and proximity to home. Do you want to stay in the Midwest, or is Cali calling? Also consider if the school is in a city, near a city, or more isolated. Size. Big or small? While big universities are appealing in spirit and diversity, smaller universities can offer a more intimate experience with students and professors. Social life. Ask yourself, who are the types of students who go to this school? Visiting the university may give you a good indication of how the students spend their time, what their plans are, and what they are interested in. Religious life or affiliation. Some universities are affiliated or founded on a certain religion, but the ones that are not often offer places of worship or student religious associations on campus, all of which are factors you may want to consider if you are interested in finding people of similar religious backgrounds. Student life. What is there to do on campus, and what is there to do around campus? Academic opportunities. Academics, though not always the primary concern of students, is still very important if you are anticipating a certain career path. Ask yourself, does this school have a reputable major or program for my career path, and might it help me get a job after graduation? So, with all of this in mind, are you ready to find your fit?